All right. More ice fishing winter. Happy New Year, everybody. So more upstairs. Let's go. I've been here for the motorcycle stuff, so might be probably the last video. Oh, more, even more upstairs. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's up there, but we got a bunch over here. A whole bunch. Some more stuff. We got food. Try to steal the money. Got pizza. All kinds of good stuff. More jackets. Yeah, I remember last time they were here, last time too as well. Got these jackets right here. I brought an extra battery with me, so. Those bad boys. Oh my goodness.
How's it going?
Not too bad. I love this jacket. I love it. I have a bunch, but I love to have one of those. If I was gonna buy a jacket,
Yeah.
I have enough jackets between both jobs, so
Oh, yeah.
I love it. It's my favorite jacket. Whenever I see one, I want to steal it. You know. How's business?
Business is going good.
Good.
All right. Yeah, they got some good prices on the Predator stuff.
I just love that color. It's great.
Yeah.
All right, my friend. Cool. You can just see they just have eggs all over the place here. Up North Sports. Beanies, you got Create a Lure right over there. More stuff over here. More stuff. More jackets. You can tell. Yeah, it's going to be like $600 to get that high idle fixed. That's the way she is, man. Yeah, I remember last time I was here. I remember this one last time. Remember this bad boy. God, look at that thing. All these different wheels you got here. I mean, track, what do you want to call. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh my God, look at that bad boy. Cruise around the lake. Probably wherever you want to go. Nice. Take wherever you got to go. One thing about this camera, it doesn't overheat. I can do a lot of videos per battery. It's kind of nice. So. Again, these are like little ice fish houses. Just like I don't know what this one is. In a trailer. So here's 42 grand. Kind of a nice place in here. Music in here. I got to get out of here. So there is a way now you can take music out of the video and you have copyright. It will take it out for you. So here's some more stuff over here. White water.
Yeah, right. You don't give it
Nice. All right. Look at that behavior.
got whitewater fish, man.
Giveaway. All right. We got a bunch more over here. Ice cave. So these are different kinds of ones. Kind of can see. Let's go over here. Oh, kind of nice. Very nice. So this could be like a RV4 if you want. I think this bed comes down. I mean, it does. I have no idea, but as you can tell, there's your oven. You can shower in the shower. No, there's no shower in the shower in there. That's a shitter. So, 30 grand for that? Not bad. Oh, not bad. The bed does come down. I've seen it before. Push the button, it comes down. Nice. So it's ice fishy, but also it's an RV. So you can buy a double duty one, kind of cool. Nice. Battery's getting kind of low, so thank God I brought another one with me. So you can see a whole bunch of them. So it looks like me and the big stuff's over here. So. Hello. What's this?
This is an inflatable air chair. Fill it up with air, and you've got something you can lay down and relax.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Kind of like a hammock, kind of
Kind of
like.
like a hammock. Yeah.
Very nice. What does something like this go for?
60 online, naturesloungers.com.
Right. Okay.
Here at the show, I've been doing 50 for one.
Okay.
2 for 90.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
If I offered you an extra good deal, would you maybe be interested?
Wait, what?
If I offered you an extra good deal, would you maybe be interested in that?
I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll come back. I'm gonna come back. We'll talk.
Yeah.
All right. No, I don't want one. We moves pet hair. I tell you what, the person you should talk to is Nomadic Fanatic on YouTube. He's got 4 cats. You look the guy up, and you cover the hair and search him out because he has hair all over. I'm serious, man. You look this guy up. He's got 4 cats. He's running around in a bus, and he has cat hair on him all over the place. He'd be a guy you want to reach out to. Cool. All right. Yeah, he's got it all over the place. You can see it everywhere. Yep. Whole bunch of good stuff. More stuff, more the merrier. Oh, these are kind of cool. I like these fishing hotspots. They show the lakes. It's Mille Lacs, Big Sandy Lake. Shows how deep they are, so it's kind of cool. Hello. So they show you how deep all your lakes are. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. I think last time I was here, I think they showed me one of the lake I live on. So I don't know. Hello, guys. Hello. So what's this stuff?
This is lithium batteries.
Oh, okay. I see. All right. Cool. We got more of these campers and everything else. We got more stuff over here. We got. I love this wooden stuff. It's kind of cool. This stuff. Animal Switch designs. So they got all kinds of fun stuff here. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. I love stuff that people make stuff. They got more campers right here. And it was like, you've seen one, you've seen them all. Point is, you can. They're like RVer. Campsite ice, they call them. Ice, baby. More t-shirts over here. So, I don't know what's upstairs. We'll go look, but it's the same behavior. More stuff over here. So over here is just mainly more of your stuff here. So this might be the last one. We'll see what's upstairs if there's anything substantial. But getting there, this is just mainly a fishing. That's a fishing cabin one. Mainly what that one is all about. Come in and go fishing in here. There's your hole. So this is mainly just a hangout one, and there's your fishing holes. You can do your thing in here, whatever else. So they're not cheap either. But one thing about just discretionary spending, people with the economy, I think a lot of people are looking instead of actually buying. Extra cash. anyways, yeah, we'll head on over. We'll go upstairs, see the things upstairs, and hope you enjoyed the little ice fish St. Paul. Happy 2026. So we'll cruise on over there, see what else we have upstairs. Alrighty, see you the next one.